Hi, this is Shirley Farrington. I'm a property manager here in the Atlanta area. We're back at this great condo that I have, and we've just leased it. And I wanted to just show you some things that I do. I allow my tenants to paint a couple of walls for an accent color. I usually use this sticker, fan from Sherwin-Williams, and I paint the walls Killam Beige, which is the second one down here. I don't know if you can see that there, the second one. And then I usually do the latte, which is down here for the accent wall, which will be on that wall. Or you can go the darker color. Or you can even use teal. I don't have a sample of the teal, but a light shade of teal. Or a burnt orange, that would go great with these floors also. So anyway, these girls are going to do the painting themselves because I have paint for the Killam Beige in the closet. So when they, stuff up the walls and stuff, they can always touch it up themselves because the paint's right there. And they're going to paint, this one girl of the two roommates, she wants to go ahead and paint it herself. So she's going to do this accent wall over here. And anyway, I do this in all my rentals, and the people really just love it because doing a rental home, sometimes you just feel, gosh, at least we don't use the white walls anymore. We used to use the white walls, 20 years ago, but now we use the taupe colors and the Killam Beiges, and we use the khaki greens and, the really, really pretty colors. So, if you're looking for someone to manage your property, give me a call, because I believe in taking care of the tenant. And we start with resident retention, and it starts right now before they even lease, and that's why I give them a special. So give me a call, Shirley Farrington, A+ Choice Properties, 678-294-6548. Hope to hear from you. Thanks.